Welcome to our journey on how you can start a background check company. Did you know that 86% of companies use background checks when hiring? They rely on accurate and comprehensive information, and that's where a background check company comes in. Now, let's guide you through the steps to start your very own background check company. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. First and foremost, understanding the industry is key if you want to open a background check company. Dive into research about laws and regulations. It's a heavily regulated field, so familiarize yourself with the Fair Credit Reporting Act and local state laws. Next up, build a business plan. Identify your target market, analyze your competitors, and map out financial projections. After all, the background check industry is projected to reach $4.98 billion by 2026. The third step is to register your business. Choose a name that reflects your brand and register it with the appropriate government agency. Fourth, make sure to obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your location, you may need a private investigator license or similar. Setting up your office is the fifth step. A private, secure, and professional working environment is ideal to keep all confidential data safe. Investing in software and hardware comes next. Tools like background check software, CRM systems, and secure servers will streamline your operations. Step 7 is to build your team. You'll need dedicated personnel like researchers, analysts, salespeople, and customer service reps. Last but not least, market your services. Remember, nearly 90% of businesses could be your potential clients. And there you have it. You now know 8 steps to start your background check company. But wait, there's one more step you should consider taking. You can save time and money by setting up your business through legalregistration.com. Or you can get started quicker by calling our business formation team right now. The number is 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of forming a background check company? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.